Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Mazda CX-7 guys, or the Mazdaspeed 3. Uses the same 2.3 turbo engine guys. We'll show you guys where to find the oil pump, how to replace the oil pump, we'll explain all that. The whole video from start to finish guys will be on our main channel, so please check it out, it's on how to repair guys. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on this Mazda CX-7 because our goal is guys to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. So, in today's video guys, we took everything apart. Now, all that, if you want to get to it and see how to do it, it's on how to repair guys, our main channel. Check it out guys. Now, in order to get to the oil pump guys, what needs to be done? Quite a bit of work. You need to remove valve cover, you need to remove engine mount. After that guys, you need to remove the timing cover right here. In the meantime, the power steering pump will need to be disconnected, and either the water pump or the water pump pulley will need to be removed. This is the engine put together guys. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, so all that will need to be open on the side so we can get to it. Now the whole video from start to finish is on the channel. Then you need to guys remove your timing chain. You have two timing chains. Okay, and let me show you. Okay, those are the old ones here that we have. This is one of them. This is the one for the crankshaft and the camshafts, and this is the oil pump timing chain guys right here. So all that guys will need to be removed. In addition guys, you will need to remove your oil pan. Why? Because, okay, again the video will be on the channel. There is a screen in the oil pan for the oil pump. Okay, once you remove your timing chains, this right here guys, this is your oil pump. That's where it's located. From that point on, all we have is 4 bolts to remove it. Super simple, you can see. But to get to that point, takes quite a bit of work. And all that guys, again, it's on how to repair guys. Please check it out. But you can see guys, you have to remove timing cover, timing chains completely off. You will need to remove the oil pan, and this is the new chain for the new oil pump. In addition guys, you need some special tools for the timing pin, and right here as well this timing plate for the camshafts. All that guys you can find listed in the description of the video below. Please check it out for your convenience. In addition guys, if you have any questions or you want to see any specific video on this Mazda or this 2.3 turbo DC engine guys, please drop a comment below, let us know. That way we have an idea what video we need to make, and we'll be able to help you guys and save you quite a bit of money. We'll try our best. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.